When the invitee finishes through the booking process, they receive what we call a confirmation page. So they'll be taken to that page and they can view the details of the meeting. Just as an example, we're going to use this follow-up meeting, and we're going to open the booking page and we're going to put details there. So we schedule, and as you can see, we're taken to the confirmation page, which confirms that we booked a follow-up meeting with Malvin, and these are the dates, the time zone, and the conferencing details are to be shown in the email. If you open the invitation, you'll be able to see that information there. What can we change on that confirmation? If we go to that meeting or event, we go to more options, and then on the last part it says confirmation page. So on the confirmation page, you can actually redirect the person to a different page, and you can pass these details about the meeting to that page, probably on your website. So you can actually do that and put your website there and then pass the details. You might need help of a web developer to be able to do that. You can also add other links onto this one. For example, we have this one, schedule another event. You can actually turn it on and you can add new links to say my website, and then you add the link. And once you do that, that link will then appear on the confirmation page. So once we save and we try this again, we do a booking and then we schedule after putting the details. If you notice, we now have schedule another event or go to my website. So if the person clicks these, they'll be taken to the appropriate page. If we had created a different web page for them to be taken to, this would not be appearing here. This is what we can change on the confirmation page.